When homeowners think about managing indoor comfort, they often focus on insulation, windows, or cooling systems. However, entry doors play a major role in protecting your home from outdoor heat and humidity. If a door is outdated, poorly sealed, or improperly installed, it can quietly allow warm air and moisture to seep inside. For homeowners in Covington, upgrading to a well-designed entry door can significantly improve comfort and indoor climate control. Why heat and humidity control matters. Excess heat and moisture can make living spaces feel uncomfortable and heavy. High humidity levels may also contribute to interior wear over time. In Covington homes, entry doors serve as a barrier between indoor comfort and outdoor conditions. When that barrier is compromised, maintaining a stable indoor environment becomes more difficult. Tighter seals reduce air infiltration. One of the most common causes of heat and humidity intrusion is air leakage around the door frame. Modern entry doors are designed with improved sealing systems. For Covington homeowners, this means fewer gaps that allow warm, humid air to enter and conditioned air to escape. Proper threshold alignment. The bottom of a door is often overlooked, but it is a common entry point for outside air. A properly installed threshold ensures a snug fit along the base of the door. In Covington residences, this detail helps block drafts and moisture from seeping underneath. Insulated door cores improve temperature control. Many modern entry doors feature insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures. For homeowners in Covington, this added insulation helps reduce heat transfer. The result is a more comfortable interior environment that stays consistent throughout the day. Reducing moisture intrusion. Humidity can enter through even small openings around a door frame. New entry doors are installed with proper sealing and weather-resistant materials to limit moisture infiltration. In Covington homes, this helps protect flooring, walls, and nearby surfaces from excess humidity exposure. Supporting efficient indoor climate systems. When heat and moisture enter freely, indoor cooling systems must work harder to maintain comfort. By upgrading entry doors, Covington homeowners can reduce unnecessary strain on indoor systems. This supports smoother operation and more consistent performance. Enhancing everyday comfort. Near entryways. Drafts and humidity are often most noticeable near doors. A well-sealed entry door in a Covington home creates a more balanced and comfortable entryway. Homeowners can enjoy consistent indoor conditions without temperature swings near the front or back door. Long-term durability. In changing conditions, doors must withstand daily use and exposure to shifting weather conditions. Modern entry doors are built with durable materials that resist warping and shifting. In Covington homes, this structural stability ensures that the door continues to seal properly over time. Improving overall indoor environment. Managing heat and humidity contributes to better overall living conditions. Covington homeowners often find that once entry doors are upgraded, the home feels fresher and more comfortable. Stable temperatures and controlled moisture levels improve day-to-day living. A smart upgrade for climate management. Entry doors are more than decorative features. They are functional components of your home's comfort system. For homeowners in Covington, investing in a high-quality entry door helps manage heat and humidity effectively. With improved insulation, tight sealing, and professional installation, modern entry doors create a stronger barrier against outdoor conditions. The result is a cooler, drier, and more comfortable home that supports year-round indoor enjoyment.